Hello everyone, today we talk about why we're using the Nosql. Because for the traditional Nosql, it is a relation, right? You have to one table. To connect another table. It is easy to management. If we want to find the data, we just only search for one table. Then we can according this information to our other table to search something we want. But traditional database is the test base. So it is hard to storage. The media file. This time, we have to changes our tool for handle this to help us store the media file. So we have to the Nosql. Nosql is usually using a query. It is not a SQL sentence. So when put some file to the circle, it will like this. Many record. If we want to get a file, we just passing the ID we want to get, and then we get the file. So what is different between the SQL and the Nosql? The simply is Nosql can easy for storage. But maybe you have a question, why we don't put our file to the local storage? Maybe your computer right. Why we don't put our file to local storage? That is because if you do like this, you have to many migration your system to other server. But if we using a Nosql, every record is in the DB file, right? We can use this one to the DB file. Then migration is to put this file to something, maybe using a Docker. We have a Docker. We put the data into this. This time, if we want to deploy two servers, we created two Docker. And just copy this data to here. Okay, we deploy the two servers. And this data is included the Nosql, so it is easy to deployment, easy to scale. Maybe it's this. Okay.